In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those options. Then click at the bottom right corner, hit Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide Where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!